So I Google Xilinx and I Google Xilinx of Vivado and I come to downloads. It says AMD. I guess AMD owns Xilinx now. And I'll come to Vivado edition 2024.1 full product installation. And that's the one I'm going to download. And I'll download the unified installer. That's the one I want. For Windows, yep, for Windows. I already have an account. If you don't have an account, you would need to create one. And it already has all my information. Oh, I love those cookies. Now download. And I will save this. And don't be fooled into thinking that, oh, that wasn't that bad. They said it would be bad. It hasn't happened yet. So now I click on it and I'm running it. Yes, I want it to make changes. And next. I know my password. I think I know what that password is. Okay. Download and install now. Oh, this is new. I don't know what all those are. But I'm just going to go with Vivado. And we need standard. And the main one we need is a 7 series because we need the RX. So it can't hurt. I mean, it just takes time to do the rest. I don't need the rest for right now. I'm going to keep that just in case I might ever want to use it. I agree to everything. Yes, 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 yes. That all looks good. Yes, please. And install. And now it'll just take a long time. And I'm going to pause it. Oh, look, it says 46 hours. Oh, now it's down to 51 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to pause it and I'll come back. So, just checking in here. It took 38 minutes to download files, and I'm here at LSU with the relatively fast network at nighttime when there's really no one else using it here. So it took over an hour last time I tried to do it a year or so ago, and it takes me a couple hours at home. So 38 minutes is not really so bad, but now it's installing the files and I can't remember how long that takes. So I'm going to just pause it again while it's doing that. I just missed it. It asked me if I wanted to install this device software, and I said yes, and I forgot to catch that on the screen. So it asked, do you wish to install this device software? And I said yes. Okay, so it's now asking for something, so I'll go through this setup wizard. Of course I agree. Sure. And now it says installation completed successfully. Let's see. And that looks like Vivado to me. All right, excellent.